This started as scrap lumber and a table my wife bought and didn't survive assembly. She found a table online that looked great until it came out of the box. Particleboard, wobbly, the whole thing just gave up halfway through building it. So I figured, I'll just make one myself. Dug up some old construction lumber that had been sitting in my father-in-law's shed for about 20 years, milled it down, and turned it into something solid.